Hello, my dear students. How are your studies going on? I hope it's going on well and you are safe inside your home. So, for today, first let us recapitulate some of our lessons from the previous classes. Today, we will first recapitulate some portions of noun which we have already done in our previous class. A noun is a word that names persons, animals, places, or things. You know that noun is a word by which we make understand some names of persons, animals, places, and things. So, naming words are called as nouns. Now, there are different types of nouns. First, proper noun. Now, what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, thing, or place. Suppose in the example here given Sunday. Sunday is the name of a day. January. January is the name of a month of our calendar. June. Here June can be name of a month as well as June can also be name of a girl or woman. So proper noun denotes the name of some particular person, thing or place. Now common noun. A common noun is used to refer people, places or things in general. For example, day, city, girl, man. So common noun actually denotes the people, places or things in general. So day is the common noun but Sunday is proper noun because day refers in general and Sunday is a particular day. It is referring to some particular day. So in this case day is common noun, Sunday is proper noun. Next one, collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group of a particular bird, animal, people or thing. So collective noun actually refers to the group. Example given, a galaxy of stars. Here galaxy is the collective noun. A herd of swans, an army of soldiers. Here galaxy, herd, army all are example of collective noun. So collective noun actually refers to a group which you have already learnt. Next one, another category we have, that is possessive noun. Possessive noun describes who owns a particular thing. So what does possessive noun describes? It describes the owner of a particular thing. Sita's room, the lion's mane. Here Sita's means the room belongs to Sita. The mane belongs to lion. Both Sita's apostrophe S, S-I-T-A apostrophe S, Sita's and lions, L-I-O-N apostrophe S, denote possessive noun because the room is belonging to Sita. The owner of the room is Sita. So Sita's room, it is possessive noun. And the mane of the lion, because so lion is the owner of the mane, so it refers to the lion. So lions is the possessive noun. Now dear students, today we will come to a new thing which we have not done earlier. Let us go for the new thing for this class today. Articles. I know you already have learned little bit in your previous classes, but today we will do it in these classes. Articles. So, what do you mean by article? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. They are used to point out things, people, animal and places. So articles are what? They are actually the words that define the noun which is specific or unspecific. Suppose, for example, a boy, that is any boy. It can be any boy. A boy means it can be any boy, which is unspecific. The Gita. Here Gita is our name of the holy book Gita. So this is specific. That means articles are some words which are used with the noun which are either specific or unspecific. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. A and the are three articles and they are used with nouns. Once again I repeat that articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. They are used to point out things, people, animals and places. For example, a boy. A boy means any boy, which is unspecific. The Gita. The Gita, here Gita refers to our holy book Gita. So the Gita means we are referring to some specific book. A and the, these are three articles and all these articles are always used with noun. So my dear students, in our today's class, we have learnt about a new thing articles and we have recapitulated some of our lessons from previous classes. You continue your studies well. We will continue this article portion more in our next videos. Up to this for today. You continue your studies well and you stay safe at your home. Stay fit, and if you have any queries, you may ask me in the comment box. For today, we have started the article chapter. This one will continue in the next video and some recapitulation will be also there. Up to this, thank you for today. Have a good day and continue your studies well.